Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're exploring a question every guy has thought about: how to make a woman truly miss you, even if she didn't notice you at first. Some men stick in a woman's mind effortlessly, while others fade away fast. It's not random. It's about creating a real emotional spark with confidence, mystery, and the right timing. In this video, I'll share 7 simple, powerful ways to spark her curiosity and make her think about you, whether you're dating, in a relationship, or trying to reconnect. These aren't sneaky tricks. They're about understanding what draws people in. Stick around to the end for all 7 steps that'll have her missing you and maybe even reaching out first. Let's jump in. First, step back and give her space. Women often expect attention to come easily. Texts, calls, likes. It's normal for them. But when you stop reaching out, it flips the script. She wonders, where'd he go? What's he up to? That silence. Total quiet. No messages. No posts for a week or two. Makes her mind race. She might imagine you're busy, happy, or with someone else. That unanswered question pulls her in. Studies say unexpected distance lights up the brain like a craving. She might not have cared before, but now she's curious. Keep it real. Don't explain. Don't rush back. Just live your life. If she messages, reply slow and simple, like, "Been good, you." It's not a game. It's showing your time's valuable. Second, let her see you're doing great. Social media is a window into your world, and she's looking, even if she's quiet about it. Don't disappear online. Share small updates that show you're moving forward. A pic of you hiking, a quick work win, or laughing with friends says you're thriving, not waiting. It's not about bragging, just living. When she sees you're happy without her, she wonders if she's missing out. Keep it natural. No sad posts or overdone flexing. A simple shot of you enjoying life plants the seed. She'll feel it more than you say it. Third, don't bite when she tests you. After you go quiet, she might toss out a bait, a cute pic, a vague post, a random like. She's checking if you'll jump. Most guys do. They like it, text her, or overthink it. That hands her the reins. Instead, scroll past. If she messages, keep it cool and short. She's not begging you back. She's testing her pull. When you don't react, she's thrown off. That shift makes her try harder, and that effort flips the vibe. You're not predictable anymore, and that's what hooks her. Fourth, play it chill when she reaches out. If she texts after your silence, don't flood her with excitement. Wait a bit. Hours, not minutes. Then keep it short and sweet. "Hey, been busy, you good?" Works better than a novel. It shows you've got a life, not that you've been pining. End the chat early before it drags. Leave her wanting more, not feeling she's got you figured out. Eagerness kills the vibe. Mystery keeps it alive. Fifth, hint at other people in your life. Women notice when others want you. It's human nature. You don't need to flaunt it. A photo with friends, some women in it, a casual out with the crew comment, or a tagged post does the trick. She'll wonder who's around you. It's subtle. No in-your-face flirting, just enough to stir her. Too much looks fake and pushes her away. Done right, she'll feel a quiet urge to step up, like you're someone worth keeping. Sixth, give her a special nickname. A fun, personal one, like Sunshine if she's bright, or Turtle if she's slow. Sticks with her. It's your thing, a little spark that ties her to you. When she hears it, she'll smile and think of you. Pick something real, tied to her vibe, not just babe. Say it now and then, and it'll hit her heart later, pulling her back to your moments. Seventh, share something cool with her. Teach her a trick, a recipe, a stretch, a random fact. It's not about showing off. It's about adding to her world. When you guide her with patience, she links that growth to you. Show her a song she loves, a spot she's never seen, anything small but new. She'll remember you every time it comes up. Keep it easy, not bossy, and she'll admire you more. These steps work together. Mix confidence, space, and real connection. It's not about forcing anything. It's about being the guy she can't shake. You won't wonder if she's thinking of you. She will be. What's your take? Tried any of these? Drop a comment with what's worked for you. If this hit the spot, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more on relationships and leveling up. Catch you next time.